Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix Snapchat video quality. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So on Snapchat, you want to post with higher video quality. So in order to do that, there are a couple of steps that you need to follow. The first step is checking to see if the camera lenses are clear or not. Sometimes the smudge on the camera might be causing your video to be blurred, so just simply cleaning up the camera will fix that issue. But if your video quality is still low, then the next thing that you can do is head over to your settings app, and once you're inside here, scroll down and then tap on camera. And once you're inside here on your video option, check to see if your video quality is set to high or not. If it's not, then simply tap on the video, record video, and then put it to the highest quality available, and that will probably fix the issue. But if you are still having the issue, then what you need to do is go back to settings and then tap on general, then tap on iPhone storage. Once you're inside iPhone storage, scroll down and find Snapchat and then tap on it. And once you're inside here, tap on offload app. And what this does is it resets the app by clearing the bugs and glitches. And once the process is complete, tap on delete app. And that's basically how to fix Snapchat video quality. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.